Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can convert numbers to text in Microsoft Word. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. For example, I want to provide numbers from here. Put cursor, OK. Then Control and F9. Then equal sign. Provide the number. For example, 53 slash asterisk cut text. OK. Now just F9. You see, directly change it to text. If you want to bring back the code, just shift F9. Now I can change this number to 59. Sorry, 59. Then F9. 59. If you want to delete it, just select here and backspace twice. That's all. Have a nice day.